Did you know that a computer might be looking at a photo of your roof right now and deciding whether or not you get to keep your home insurance? And, well, what happens when that computer gets it wrong and there is no human anywhere checking its work? Today, we are walking through 5 real mistakes the AI robot is making with your home and auto insurance right now, and a calm, simple way to protect yourself from everyone. Hi, everybody. Marquise here with Trailstone Insurance Group. Let me be clear right up front. I am not here to tell you if AI is evil or not. I'm a big user of it. We use it ourselves here at Trailstone as well to shop carriers faster and get you to a real person sooner. But the problem is not the robot. It's the robot making big decisions about your coverage, your claim, and your price, with no human in the loop. So, let's break down where that actually goes wrong. Mistake number 1, getting dropped from a photo. A lot of carriers now buy satellite and drone images, run them through an AI model, and use that to decide who keeps the coverage. And here's the part that surprises people. You usually have no idea whether or not the inspection ever happened. In Texas, for instance, this is very common. Non-renewals nearly doubled between 2020 and 2023. With AI aerial imagery and primary driver, and the robot gets things wrong still. Solar panels flagged as damaged, even a cancellation based on a photo of the wrong house. So, here's how you protect yourself. Photograph your roof once a year with the date visible. Keep your repair receipts, and if a non-renewal notice shows up, ask in writing to see the image. You usually have about 30 days, so make sure you move fast. Okay, mistake number 2. Denying a claim in seconds with no human looking. Lawsuits allege automated tools denied huge numbers of claims with almost no individual review, and one analyst found certain AI systems denying at up to 16 times the rate of human reviewers. So, be sure to document the loss the moment it happens. Call your agent before you file, and if a claim is denied, be sure to ask it in writing. Whether a human actually reviewed it, the robot respects records no matter what. Now, mistake number 3, confident. Wrong answers about your coverage. This one is sneaky because the robot sounds so sure of itself. Ask a chatbot, does my homeowner's policy cover flood? And it might cheerfully say yes. Standard home insurance does not cover flood though. And you find that out after the water recedes when it is far too late. AI is great for learning the basics, just never use it to confirm what your specific policy covers. So, confirm coverages against your real policy and be sure to get the answer in writing. And watch the usual gaps: flood, earthquake, sewer, and water backup, roof settlement based on age. When in doubt, ask a person who can read your policy with you. And mistake number 4, pricing you in a black box no one will ever explain. Your rate increasingly comes out of a model, not a person, pulling from telematics driving data, public records, and more. The risk is that the logic becomes a box even the company cannot fully open, and a model can quietly lean on data that stands in for things like income in your neighborhood. And in fact, a lot of industry surveys found nearly 1/3 of insurers do not regularly test their own models for bias. You cannot open that box yourself, but you can refuse to let one algorithm have the final say. So, shop more than one carrier because every company uses a different model. Ask why your rate changed and let an independent agent run the comparison for you. And mistake number 5 is the one underneath all the others: removing the human who used to fight for you. When everything runs through automation, there is no one to notice the photo was of the wrong house, no one to question the second denial, and no one to catch that the chatbot was wrong about the flood. And here's the part that matters most. A captive agent who sells one company's products or a direct app is often just a friendlier front end on the same algorithms. The independent model is different though. We do not work for a carrier, we work for you. So, here's your simple next step. If you would like a real person to look over your coverage and tell you in plain English where you stand, we are happy to help. Visit trailstoneinsurance.com or give us a call and we will provide a complimentary review of your insurance with a written summary for your records. And if you want a deeper dive on all 5 of these, the full breakdown is on our blog and in our learning center at trailstoneinsurance.com. Every year, our TRAC review reshops your policy across 40 plus A-rated carriers so you are never left alone with an algorithm. AI is not going away, and that is fine. The robot is fast, and fast is a good thing. fast should never replace a person who is actually on your side, though. Keep a human in charge of the decisions that affect your home, your car, and your family. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Stay informed, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one.